Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alibaba shopping app, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply add items or products to cart in your Alibaba shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Alibaba shopping app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here now to open my Alibaba shopping app. After you open up your Alibaba shopping app, then the next thing you want to do is to search for a particular product you want to add to cart. Let's say, for instance, this particular product here, I want to add it to cart. So go ahead and click on the product link. So after you click on the product link, it's take you right here. And for you to add the product to cart, go ahead and click on add to cart right here. Then here you go. Now here, this particular product here is in two categories. So there is black for iPhone. There is black Type-C adapter right here with the same price. Now, let's say, for instance, you need 2 pieces of this. So what you need to do is to click on here, 1, 2. And you need just 1 pieces of this. Just go ahead and hit 1. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add to cart. Then you have it right here. Let's say, for instance, you want to add more to cart from the same store. What you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on the store link. So I'm going to click on here again. Then we have to make sure we scroll down right here and make sure we check some other products from their store. So see similar choice. So right here, this is the store right here. Go ahead and click on more products right here. So we are in the same store right here. Let's say we want to get this also. Then we have to make sure we click on add to cart right here. Then it takes us right here. Let's say we need just 1 of these. So I'm going to add, then come down below right here, click on add to cart. Now we are able to add 3 different products from a single store into cart. If I click on my cart from the top right here, you see everything. You see everything right here. Just like what you see right here, you can see they are all from the same store. It's that simple. For you to check out, go ahead and click on checkout right here and then make payment with whatever available currency you have into your disposal. It's that simple. So this is how to add product to cart in your Alibaba shopping app. For more tutorial about how best to use your Alibaba, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.